giant baked egg rolls. For our snackable supper here, I've got some ground chicken. To make 12, I would buy 2 packages. So you need 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, okay? And we just have that cooking up in a little bit of oil with a little sprinkle of salt. Go easy on the salt because we're gonna make a kind of a salty sauce, of course, to go along with our dippers. And I put in white pepper with the ground chicken. You can also make this with ground pork, ground veal, ground beef, ground plant-based substitute protein, right? We're going to add the garlic and the ginger. You're only gonna need, about 1.5 to 2 inches of ginger, right? Let's talk about the sauces. This is just any good quality hot Asian style mustard, the yellow, bright yellow mustard, right? Think takeout packets, yes. And then plum sauce, duck sauce, sweet chili sauce, a sweet sauce, a spicy mustard, and then I make a peanut sauce for this that I kind of love. It's a hoisin based sauce. So hoisin, like a barbecue, right? Asian barbecue style sauce. I started out with about 1/2 cup of that. Do I measure this? No. I mean, who cares? You're having fun in the kitchen. I loosen up a couple tablespoons of peanut butter and add that. I brighten it up with a fat splash of rice vinegar. I spice it up with a fat splash of sriracha. And then I add a good dose of toasted sesame oil. So we get the whisk in there and get that all combined. And I like to add a double acid. I like a little extra brightness with a hint of lime as well. You just put a little splash in here, and we can put a little splash in the filling as well. And then we made a sauce, as well as the 2 we bought from the store. You went the extra mile, man. So now we're gonna take this beautiful array of shredded or grated carrot, little onion and bean sprout, and Fresno chilies, mild chilies. They're not very hot. If you want them extra hot, bump it up and go to a Thai red bird chili or go to some chopped serrano chilies. Okay, so a little bit of chili. All of that's in there, all that great crunch and color. And then a little bit of defrosted, one little box or baggie of defrosted chopped frozen broccoli. It's not chopped fine enough, so defrost it and just run your knife through it a little bit more so it rolls up easier inside the egg rolls. You don't want them to tear. I'm just gonna throw all this in the pan, hit it with a touch of lime at the very end. He's done, then you gotta let him cool. Once that cools, it looks like this guy right here. And then we take our wonton wrappers, which once you take them out of the packaging, should immediately go under a very slightly damp kitchen towel to keep them nice and moist. A little pliable, right? And then you put it on an angle, like this. I have a little bit of water, or you can use egg. Obviously, it's an egg roll. You can use an egg wash or just a little bit of water to help seal your edges. And we're going to put a few good solid spoonfuls. I mean, this is your dinner. So this is not a tiny bit of protein, it's a lot of protein. Now, once you get the edges tucked in, you need to seal the deal with your water or your egg, right? And bring it on downtown. Oven nice and hot to 400. Spray everybody down with non-aerosol high temperature cooking spray. This is just canola oil in this. Throw them in the oven. Look how golden and gorgeous they are. You do not have to deep fry them. Look how much food it makes. It's just so pretty and fun.